how to sync Apple Calendar with Google Calendar. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can sync Apple Calendar with Google Calendar. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Syncing Apple Calendar with Google Calendar can be a convenient way to manage your schedule across different platforms. To sync your Apple Calendar with your Google account, please note that it must be set for public access. On your computer, visit iCloud.com and sign in. Ensure you're using the correct iCloud account. On the iCloud calendar screen, you can choose which calendar you'll sync in Google. In my case, I'll select this work calendar. Tap the profile icon to show the calendar information. Below calendar sharing, toggle public calendar. Copy the webcal link, then save. After copying the link, open Google Calendar in your web browser and log into your Google account. Once signed in, click the plus icon next to the other calendars on the left pane. Select from URL, paste the link you copied from iCloud Calendar, and tap Add Calendar. After a short while, all your Apple Calendar entries will populate in Google Calendar. So that's how you can sync Apple Calendar with Google Calendar. That's all for this video.